Good morning, bitches. Me acabo de levantar, es las 10 de la mañana. Yo no sé por qué me estoy levantando temprano el día de estos días que está pasando. But today, fíjense que me estoy haciendo. If you guys do not remember, I was telling you guys que and don't mind my pimple que está aquí porque ahora me estoy creciendo una pinche pimple donde sea. But anyways, so remember que les había dicho que me había sentido like, con mucho chest pain and then que me dolía la panza and everybody was telling me que a lo mejor era como ¿cómo se llama? Que heartburn and yeah, and gallbladder and stuff like that. So I didn't make an appointment. I didn't end up making an appointment because I was like, you know what, let me just try to take it care of it at home. Pero mujeres, so my mom told me to drink this drink que me estoy haciendo ahorita, que se le echa, I guess, papa. You have to put like papa. The papa needs to be like fully like just all of it. Like you put it. This is the drink that I've been drinking, bitches, y no sé por qué, pero me está ayudando. And let me show you guys. Es papa, es poquita piña y le echas real ¿cómo se llama? How do you say it? Aloe vera? Is it aloe vera?
Aloe vera. Aloe.
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 Well, how do you say in Spanish? Aloe, Viviana.
What?
How do you say aloe in Spanish?
Aloe vera.
But in Spanish.
Avila.
Oh, sábila, mujeres, es sábila. Sábila crecido del piso, ¿eh? Le puedes echar sábila crecido del piso. Oh, pero yo también lo estoy. Ahorita te voy a enseñar qué le estoy echando. En bitches, me está ayudando. Me feel no chest pain. Me ha levantado ya todo bien. Lo único que sí me sigue doliendo es like my shoulders. Eso sí me sigue doliendo, pero I think that's like muscle pain or nerve pain or something like that. Pero de my chest pain and my stomach hurt and everything, se me quitó para nada. Ya tengo, I think, como 7 días tomándome este licuado. And I think you have to take it for 15 days. Pero mucha gente me dijo de este licuado. And I was like, I don't think so. And I've been taking this licuado. And me está ayudando. Because I was taking the omeprazole. Y no me estaba ayudando. It was not helping me. So now I take this in the morning with the omeprazole. And bitches, me ayudó. Ahorita ya puedo comer. No lo que sea. Trato de no comer like, mucho chile, mucha grasa y todo eso. Pero ahorita ya puedo comer más cosas que cuando antes que no me está tomando este licuado. So, si le está pasando así algo a ustedes con mucho heartburn que no puede, se tiene que tomar en ayunas. En ayunas. Drink it every morning. Y si les ayuda, let me know. Porque sí, a mí sí me está ayudando. But let me cut the piña. The piña needs to be also fresh. You know, yo no me la corto y la pongo ahí en el refrigerador de chingada. Pero let me cut it right now and then show you. Aquí nomás, like, poquita piña a la blender. Y aquí es donde tienes que echar la sábila. But I don't have sábila. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna blend this y le voy a echar la sábila porque estoy tomando la sábila de Bella Natural. También esa me la tomo todos los días en la mañanita, bitches, ¿ok? En la mañanita la tenía allí y no la estaba usando. Ay, no la voy a usar. Pues, bitches, desde que empecé a usar esto, la sábila de Bella Natural y la sábila que le echas aquí natural en this drink, girls, ahora sí ya, nada que ver. O sea, nada que ver. Me está ayudando. So, if you guys try it out there, let me know si les sirvió a ustedes. Echa agua. Están licuándolo. Se va a mirar así. And all you have to do is, la tienes que colar. Make sure you colarle so that you can just be drinking el puro juguito. Viviana, dame una spoon, please. Yo a veces decía, like, ay, que estos licuados que van a servir, yo como medicina, nomás la medicina sirve. Pero no, estoy viendo que muchos licuados que tu mamá te dice que te hagas, sí sirven. You guys try them, because ya ves, yo quiero, ahí me aquí como mi mamá con su licuado en la mañanita para todos lados. So, como yo no tengo la fresh aloe vera because I forgot to pick it up from my mom's, yo le estoy echando esto que está aquí que se llama es de Bella Natural. También es aloe vera y nomás le echo dos tapitas. And you guys can use code Cookie G para agarrar 10% off, ¿ok? So, aquí está. Nomás se lo echo aquí en el vaso. Todos los días en ayunas, bitches. Todos los días en ayunas. And this, esta cosa nomás vale como, like, I think $20. Less than $20. Plus con el percent off, vayan a chequear. Vayan a agarrarlo esto porque ahí está sirviendo, ¿ok? Y nomás lo meneo. Y listo. And the jugo needs to be fresh. No lo puede hacer como let's say alarm y ponerlo en el refrigerador. No, porque la papa se echa a perder. So, tiene la papa y todo tiene que estar freshly as soon as you ¿cómo se lo haces? You have to drink it. Y ahí está. Lista para vivir mi vida como siempre la vivía. Y lista para chupar riata también. Boo, bitches. No se asusten, es still me. Nomás que ahora sí me metí a bañar, bitches. Solo que ay, ¿qué es esto? Ay, algo blanco. Dije, estos mecos no me los limpié o qué. Just kidding. Hello, bitches. How's everybody doing today? It's me, the baddest bitch, one and only. La que es bella, la que no. ¿Qué hice? Oh, pere. Ay, no, que ahorita me miro como pendeja, pero sí me acabo de meter a bañar, bitches. Ya el pelo se me está secando. Pero me voy a arreglar aquí porque ahora vamos a salir nomás a hacernos pendejas. Pues, ¿qué más hace uno? Más que hacerte pendeja todo el pinche día, ¿verdad? O díganme ustedes, what does your day look like? Un día, viernes. Un día, cualquier día. Porque el viernes ya sé que todas allá andamos para arriba y para abajo con la botella. No se hagan pendejas, que yo las conozco a ustedes. Son unas borrachitas, ¿eh? Cálmense. Hay que ir alcohólicos, sabemos ya. ¿Ok? No, just kidding. No, just kidding. So, bitches, aquí me voy a empezar a arreglar. Me voy a straighten my hair from the top. Girl. Todo me está saliendo mal. Ay, no. Pero voy a hacer este pinche pelo que tengo porque ya es tiempo de que me peine. Ahora sí me metí a bañar, Pinches viejas desgraciadas, ahora sí me metí a bañar. Porque dije, no, me tengo que meter a bañar porque lleva como 6 días espérese. 6 días sin bañarme. Pero el cuerpo sí. El pelo. 6 días sin mojarme el pelo, Porque luego van a decir, ya, pinche apestosa, hedionda. Hedionda tienes tú el fundillo, No, el fundillo sí me lo lavaba todos los días. Bueno, un día sí, un día no. Cállate, hocico ya. Pero, pero el pelo no me lo lavé por 6 pinches días. Ya me sentía bien cochina, bien puerca. Pero ya aquí, ya me siento a gusto. Me siento como una mujer nueva. Van y si por eso quiere llover, ya sé. Por eso quiere llover. De que me metí a bañar. Hasta que me mojé el pelo. No, but, I'm just gonna get ready today. I'm just gonna go to the store. We're gonna have to see a ver qué encontramos. No tengo que comprar nada, pero yo cada vez que salgo a la tienda, or every time I'm gonna go to the store, I always say I'm not gonna buy nothing. Y al último acabo con chingadera y media. So, quédate conmigo a ir a un día de hacer ni madres. Hacernos pendejas. Sí, ahora sí agarré el glue para las cejas, pendejas, La otra vez agarré este pinche glue y me lo eché en el pinche hocico pensando que era un gloss. Se me hace que ya este glue dice, ya cállate, el hocico, que hablas mucho. Y me quería callar. Pero tú no me vas a poder callar a mí, estúpida. Es que me volviéndome loca ya. No, bitch, pero ahorita nomás me estoy aquí gluing this eyebrows. Well, half of my eyebrows because the other half me la quité. As you guys know, yo me la quité porque my eyebrows always look sad. Mis eyebrows siempre se miraban así, todas chuecas, todas aguadas, así como las chichis de ustedes que están caídas para abajo. So I was like, you know what, let me take them off and do my own shape. Pero I'm almost ready, no me voy a arreglar, nomás me voy a arreglar así porque no me mire tan pendeja como siempre me miro, Vanessa, porque siempre te miras así, mija, toda pendeja, ya sé, pinches viejas envidiosas. Yo sé lo que te digo. Anyways, bitches, so ya estamos aquí. Me voy a poner perfume. Tell me why I went to go get this perfume. This perfume is from Britney Spears. I never me gustaba lo de Britney Spears. Decía, ay no, pinches perfumes todos baratos, todos chingadera y la chingada. Why I went to go get this perfume. It smells really good. Huele bien bonito, bitches. And me costó nomás $19. I got it from, I think it was, Amazon, no Amazon, ¿cómo se llama? Ross, bitch, and it smells so good. So if you want to be bougie and a bullshit, go get this perfume. Huele bonito and it lasts a long time. De la Britney Spears, no me la estoy recomendando aquí, nomás que... Y yo antes decía siempre, ay no, yo no quiero esa chingadera, se me hace muy barato, pero no, they do work really good. Pero ya estoy lista, ya es tiempo de irnos a ver qué encontramos. ¿Cómo voy a ir así con los pinches labios bien secos? Ay, me tengo que echar aquí gloss. Gloss para que todo esté glossy. Like my cookie is always wet. The struggle of being a mom, huh? Mira, eh?
Why everyone has these
Okay, she said with her hair. Look at her. Bonita mi Georgie. Oh, look at the baby sleeping.
They killed me, huh?
Oh, well, you wanted to have a kid. Come on.
Well, you're just standing there. What? Oh, with the footage. Rest it off.
ice. Do I look like Georgia?
You do look, girl, you look like Georgie. De que no te peinas.
No, pues usted siempre está criticando. ¿Me peino o no se peina? No me peino, no me peino.
That's brushed.
I never said I brushed my hair.
Oh, I know. He's right here. Yeah. Look at the baby. He's sleeping. Okay, bitches. Pues ya acabamos de llegar aquí. Ahora, my lips look good. Acabamos de llegar aquí. Today, right now, we came to Dollar Tree because I need to get some things. Ocupo agarrar unas cosas aquí de Dollar Tree. Now, because this is my first time coming here, you know, with my sisters. You know, they like shopping here. But I don't really shop here.
I shop here all the time.
I usually go to Gucci, you know, Louis Vuitton. Just kidding.
Daily deal.
Oh, I know. I heard they're gonna open a Daily Deals here in Visalia. That's crazy.
They have one in Tulare.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, well, the one in
They're closed Thursdays, but they're open Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
the one in Fresno, they closed it down, and they're gonna open one here. It's called Daily Deals. No, Daily Deals. Cause we all like the Daily Deals. Porque ustedes saben que aquí todo nos gusta, bueno, bonito y barato. Bitches, llegaba mucho tiempo, bitches, that I haven't found these. And finally we came to a different dollar store and they have all these. Look,
You should get this one.
tienen todo.
It's a whole set.
Yes.
This is a whole thing. It's good. Everyone says it is. I'm telling you to get this.
Ay, no, esta mujer. Que dice que se va a comprar una chingadera que para que mirar y que la chingada we are Best Buy. Ay, no. Chingaderas viejas. Chingaderas caras. So we just got out, bitches. This is what she got. Esto fue lo que agarró.
No, Jocelyn, because there's people that fall and
Chingaderas.
stuff. And they fall into walls and I want to see
Por
if
eso
she
te lo
does
voy a
that.
poner. Que lo uses.
Chingaderas. Son esas lo que creo que agarró.
It's
What's
cute.
this,
It's
girls?
good.
This is-
Yo no sé por qué tú estás enojada si tú no lo estás pagando.
Nomás estoy diciendo que es chingaderas.
Yo
Uno
te digo
acá con
chingaderas
hambre.
cuando
Uno
ves-
acá sin dinero.
Yo digo
They
chingaderas.
put it in the
pues.
back or in the front?
Can you give me the meat?
Que es mega quest 3. A mí que me den mega, pero atrás en el fundillo, mega. So, bitches, ya salí. So, bitches, ya salimos ahí de la tienda y eso ya compró sus chingaderas de que mega quest, que la chingada. Now we're gonna go to Burlington because ocupo cambiar un outfit que no me quedó. It was a little bit too big on me.
It was tight. Te quedó como underwear.
It was big, girl.
It was little.
I got extra large and I'm extra small. So,
Extra big.
My God.
why is everybody keeps looking? You saw Eve?
What? I'm just driving.
Just cause she showered.
I'm focusing. I'm driving.
Oh, you guys, she even showered today too. And look at everybody's paying attention to her. She's driving my
I know
car.
who you're talking about.
She's driving my car right now because you guys know that I don't like driving unless I really have to. You guys know me, a princess like me always have to let everybody, you know,
That's why we let
drive
her
them
pay
around.
for the car.
But we're just gonna came to Burlington to change my extra big clothes to an extra small.
extra big.
Girl, bye. I'm skinny, girl. I don't know what you're talking about. But llegamos aquí, ahorita los miro. Ahorita salimos y agarramos algo. Si no, I'm just gonna exchange and come out. Because I don't need to be spending no more money, girls.
Hopefully you find one your size.
Extra small, I know, huh? That's what I'm saying.
Extra bigger.
Usually everything's hella big and it fits you instead of me. No? I had got this, which is era like a suit, era like a pajama, and it was like just like a tour pajama. It was so cute, but it just didn't fit. So we're gonna have to take it back. Well, you guys know que bitches que tuvimos que parar aquí a la Michoacana, agarrar unas fresas con crema y agarrar unos hachiluchis antes de irnos a cocinar a la casa, que ahora vamos a hacer mole. So you gonna eat with me?
I can't wait.
Y de casa, ¿qué agarraste tú?
Corn.
The corn, y mira, también agarró.
No
Where's,
agarré
let me
nada
see.
No agarré nada because I have to pay for everybody.
Girl, you didn't pay
You didn't
shit.
pay.
You only paid for 1 hot Cheetos, girl. They were
I
mine.
paid you $24.
Yeah, I know. Desde cuando tenía ganas de esto, I know I can eat a lot. I only have to eat a little bit, but it's so good.
I'm disappointed.
You went?
Disappointed?
I know, me too. The strawberries are good, but saben echaste a perder. So,
They're like a mean one with cheese.
yo estoy a dieta.
Ahorita you eating hot Cheetos with cheese?
Just 2 bites.
You got a whole bag for yourself.
Oh, girl! Oh my god!
I'm just saying.
It's really good though. I only took 2 bites, so I'm gonna throw the rest of them away.
There's a trash can.
I will.
Right there
It's
in
too
front of
far. Just take it to the house and give it to Coco.
She don't even eat it.
I know.
I
Oh my gaze. I
I
have
got a big one. Think I'm gonna finish it and look at me.
I mean, see, your big one. Damn.
It's not good though.
So I just got home and I'm about to start cooking. Aquí ya puse el pollo and then puse el arroz, and yes, I am a cook. As you guys can tell, I'll be cooking. I'm gonna be cooking all this week. So stay tuned. We're gonna have a new section. It's gonna called Cooking with the Baddest Bitch. So you guys can know that I actually do cook. Porque siempre le andan diciendo que nunca cocinas, nunca cocinas. Pues aquí estoy ya cocinando. Para que miren, eh. I'm a housewife already. I just need to find a man that will wanna marry me. And so far, we don't have no good luck. No good luck on the bed. Oh, bitches, pero ¿qué crees que pasó? I broke una cazuela de vidrio.
¿Cazuela?
Yeah, la tapadera de vidrio. So, I'm not the best with the cooker. Y era la tapadera de aquí. So, por eso no puedo tapar el pollo. But who cares? You know, I'm still here cooking. You guys are so ugly. No se pueden mirar nada. Like, look it. I know me either. So llegamos aquí a la casa, bitches. Tell me why. We were at my mom's house and Viviana se cayó con el. She was carrying the baby. Se fue. ¡Fum! It's this hella raining. Oh my god, no, wait, hold on. So, bitches, welcome back. Today, I just came from my mom's house. Now I am gonna go to Burlington. I'm gonna go shop around because I need to get a present for my sister's daughter, Jaslyn. So, porque este sábado vamos a tener una comidita allí con mi familia. So, tengo que comprar un regalo porque siempre llego sin regalo y siempre me están criticando. Like, hello. Like, you just have to come to my birthday and bring presents. I didn't know I have to take them back. I'm just kidding. I thought it was a one way. Not like it's your birthday. I have to give you something now. So I have here my friend eBay. She's driving right now. So we're gonna go right now to, I think, Burlington. A ver qué encontramos. No sé qué le voy a agarrar. Ya le agarré unas cositas right there in the house. Pero a ver que ahorita le encuentro acá algo diferente. Porque esta perra yo le había comprado un dulce de esos de los que es como like un what's it called? Like a jello. And I had left it there in the house, in the table. And yesterday they came and guess what? It's not there no more. So I'm pretty sure she grabbed it or something. So I'm gonna go see a ver what other things I find. And I'll let you guys know a ver qué encontramos because I don't know what to get. Like, I'm not very into this shopping for other people. I'm usually shopping for myself. I don't shop for other bitches, but I guess this year is different. I have to shop for other hoes.
Give this year, not get.
So I'll see you guys right now in a little bit. So, bitches, pues ya regresamos aquí a la casa. Now I'm gonna start cooking. I'm recording different days. Don't think that we're eating everything in one day because I still want to say, girl, you're always eating. Okay, no. Pero ahorita vamos a estar cocinando aquí. Vamos a estar cocinando el pollo con some vegetables. Y ahorita les voy a enseñar lo que le agarré a la Jasmine for her birthday. This video is gonna be muy largo porque you guys, este video ahora sí, porque siempre me dicen, make your videos longer, make it, ok, pues ahí está, van a estar largos como las riatas que quisieras tener, pero no tienes, ¿sí? Las tienes chiquitas.
¿No que más usas un Brasil?
¿Ah?
¿No más que usas uno?
¿Uno qué?
Brasil.
Sí.
Aquí son dos.
Okay, I put one and then one. I always take them out as soon as I get home. And I have another one here.
I know, just make
No, Mama, I put one. Stop playing with me.
Then why are there so many brushes?
Stop playing with me.
Because she has two different men
¿Te
here.
echaste aquí en la sala?
Estás pendeja, ni me puedo echar hombres aquí en la pinche sala. Si aquí estás tú todo el tiempo.
Ay, sí, a la vez siempre estoy aquí.
Yo quiero chupar aquí, ratas y la chingada y no puedo porque está ahí.
Baby, you hearing her?
What is she saying?
She said that she can't be sucking because you're here all the time.
You're a fucking liar.
Because the night that I went home, she did.
Mira.
I don't know, chicas. You been exposing me over here. You been, it was a little secret. Got a secret. Gotta keep it.
Okay, pretty little lies.
But she always lies.
Ooh.
And I am pretty, so that's you pretty. Little liar.
That's your show.
So let me just keep cooking right here. Ahora sí, mujeres, ahora sí voy a cocinar algo bien bueno. Yo no voy a cocinar, me estoy cortando el pollo. El pollo. Pues aquí está, bitches, ya está el disque pollo con la verdura y el arroz abajo. Beep, beep, this pussy wanna eat, eat. Y las dos, Okay, she can marry now. She can get married. The other day, I forgot to record you guys when we were eating the mole. So I didn't have a footage of me cooking, bitches. Perdóname. Bro, me thinking that I was recording. And again, I wasn't. I don't know. Girl, con este cosa que me está pasando en la cabeza, aquí en mi vida, se me olvidó that I wasn't recording. So, bitches, I went to the dollar store y le agarré aquí. Ya voy a empezar a arreglar su, the present donde le voy a echar aquí. It is going to be my, Jazz's birthday this weekend. Ya ves que les había dicho que yo casi no agarraba regalos para la gente, pero ya sí, fíjense lo que le agarré. I'm gonna show you guys because ella no mira estos videos, even though this video is gonna go up before. But I got her the Wednesday backpack. ¿Es que van a poder aquí o no? Oh, we do, fin. En el agarré esta chingadera disque makeup. Yo no sé por qué está empezando a usar maquillaje y la chingada. Y esta pinche chingadera que está aquí me costó $20 y está bien chiquita. Chingaderas. I also got her some clothing, bitches. Le agarré unos vestidos. De la Ross. Que viene con sus camisitas y sus chores. Porque como ya va a empezar el calor y todo eso, ya dije, ¿sabes qué? No le voy a comprar pantalones ya ni sudaderas. Especialmente si soy como yo, que a mí me gusta estar bien, you know. I wanna turn you on. Es que, vamos a put this right here. Ay, ni cabe nada, pero I should have got a bigger bag. See, eBay?
You could put it on the backpack.
Don't scream, bitch.
You screamed at me first.
Oh my God, it's Hillary.
Oh,
It's
okay.
Hillary.
Okay. Talk about something else now.
Shit.
I think you yelled at me, sister.
Sister. Le agarré unos hot Cheetos porque la otra vez ella siempre se anda. Every time she comes over here, she's always getting the hot Cheetos. So le agarré unos hot Cheetos para que ahora se lo puede llevar. Y aquí ya es como que cabe todo. I'm just gonna decorate and do this right here. Look at bitches, cómo me quedó. This is so cute.
I'm gonna say it's for me.
It's what's for you.
That's for me.
Girl, bye. Ooh, make sure you guys see this is from me when I give it to her, because bitches are gonna be like, damn, I did, they know. I'm gonna be like, happy birthday, bitch. Even though I'm the queen, even though I'm not the birthday girl, I'ma still sleep with you, me. I'm just kidding.
Oh, no.
I'm just kidding, muchachos. Pues ya estamos aquí. Ya empezó a llover. Está haciendo mucha calor. I hate when it's raining and it's still hot in here. Well, I don't know if because we just cooked. I don't know what's going on. Ay, no. Ahora tengo que limpiar esta casa porque esta casa es un cochinero. No sé qué voy a hacer con mi vida. ¿Por qué no tengo sirvientas? ¿Por qué no tengo ayudantes? Even when I speak Spanish, do you understand what I'm saying?
Sí.
Okay, limpia la casa, pinche gordita.
You clean it up.
He's right there. But do you understand the last part I told you?
You're the gorita.
Oh, she does understand. Okay, I got you, girl. I got you. You've been lying to us all the time that you don't speak Spanish and you don't understand.
Don't play with
No,
your
I'm just kidding,
fingers,
which is
girl.
after she's been here with us for a long time, because she's been here for a long time, I feel like she already knows when we're talking about her, because we do talk about her. Just kidding. No, just kidding. No, but she does understand when we talk on like Spanish or something like that. And she doesn't understand when we talk fast, right? Mm-hmm. Like when we talk fast in a hurry, like.
I gotta pick at certain little words.
Mm-hmm. So that's why now if we want to talk shit, we talk fast so that she don't understand that. Just kidding. But anyway, which is let me clean. I have to clean the living room. I have to clean I don't know, the kitchen, and I have to obviously clean my room. Look at my hair, how this is a mess, girls.
You gotta clean her.
I'm gonna do my hair. I'm pretty sure next week my hair is ya está echado a perder, así como tus pinches fundillos chuecos que no se bañan, las pinches viejas cochinas que se la pasan a mí rascándose la pinche pucha, ¿eh? I mean, anyway, let me get to cleaning and let me get to all this mess. It's me, Cookie G, the baddest bitch, one and only. La que es bella, y la que no, que se opere. All of a sudden, your butt don't act like y'all eating, huh? Eh? Ahora sí se esconde. Look, which is, I did that. She's eating the food I did.
Just taking credit for your food.
And then
I
we have
know.
Viviana over there eating the food. Damn.
She swore she cooked this.
I be cooking real good, huh? I could get married now?
We all get married.
Ooh.
Not the all.
I said ooh.
Don't count me in it.
Ooh.
I didn't say to
Is
each
it
other.
good though? Is it good?
Of course it's good because I made it.
Oh, I'm not talking to you, baby. I'm talking to I'm just kidding.
Oh.
Is
The
it good,
name
Yana?
is good, huh? Because I made it.
Who do you think made it?
I saw who made it.
Who? Ibe, you're really gonna lie to everybody that say that you did it? I did the rice.
Right now. Because earlier you would have that line.
And the rice right now is hard.
Girl pie! I know she's lying. I just did the rice, bitches, right now. Earlier, Ibe did do the rice, but now ahorita yo le hice el rice.
But who made
Yo,
the food?
cada día, every single day. Maybe it's not my hair, it's something going on with me. What is this?
What
You
is
know
that?
what you look
baby?
like?
Oh my God,
You look like
no.
the old lady that used to go cry in the church.
What old lady?
I think her name is.
I don't think you should compare me with any old lady because that's already like you saying old. Old and me do not get along because I'm young. Which one?
El que le iba a ayudar al padre. All the time. He's like, ay, padre.
Oh, sí, ya sé. ¿Cómo se llama esa
You
señora?
look like her.
Ay, no, I forgot which one.
What was her name?
I don't know her name, but I know.
Carmelita or something.
Oh, yeah, Carmelita, la que le iba a llorar al padre.
No, y'all calling people out.
No, and Viviana looks like a ñoño.
What's her name?
El ñoño from Chavo del Ocho. You wanted to play this game. You would tag me first.
Okay.
You would tag me first. Oh my God.
I tapped it back.
Anyways, I have to go fix my hair. Let me go. I'm just kidding, bitches. Aquí ya. I did clean a little bit, bitches. I did clean the living room. My living room is already clean. So don't be judging me thinking that, oh, you didn't clean and you always saying that you
Doesn't
clean.
look clean.
It doesn't look clean because you, bitch.
What did I do?
You did all this mess. We went shopping right now, bitches. Look, we almost had shopping and everything. And we also got this for, well, eBay got it. eBay got it for Edith's baby. But right now we have to fix everything. But I'm so glad that the day is about to be over. So far, update about the heartburn y que me dolía el pecho y la chingada. Ahorita viste todo lo que comí and everything. Ahorita no me está doliendo el pecho. Before when I used to eat all this stuff and everything.
Does you know why I call you old? And you remind me of my grandma. You have the vapuru right next to you. You have your pills. You have patches. Next thing you know, you need a baston. I'm not telling what to give you one.
She's a hater. But anyways, update on the thing that I was telling you guys. So, el licuado sí me está ayudando, bitches. I'm telling you guys, el licuado me está ayudando a mí. Ojalá que les ayude a ustedes también si no les pueden, porque a mí el amapresor solo me ayudaba, pero el licuado me está ayudando anytime, every time en ayunas. And I will do the original aloe vera, que es sábila, and I will do the bella natural sábila del bote. Ay, del bote, y así grandote y jugoso y gordo, así como quisiera que la reata estuviera. Pero así, use my code CookieG for 10% off, bitches. Ahí pueden agarrar lo que ustedes quieran with my code. Y it's me, the baddest bitch, one and only. La que es bella. Y la que no, que se opere.
Pero ¿se acuerdan cuando dijo, ¿para qué vas a agarrar esa chingadera? ¿Para qué vas a gastar dinero? Pero mírala. Mírala, ahorita. ¿Cómo anda? Matando a los zombies. Mira. Pero quería hablar. This is why you shouldn't talk before you realize what you're getting into. Cause look at her.
Oh, what is it? Oh, no.
No, quieto. Mira, she's too focused. She don't even paying attention to it. And yeah, you guys may see the strap all messed up. It's because she got a big old head. It doesn't really fit her. So she has to scoot it out to the most biggest size. Pero mira. But in this video, you see how she was judging me. And look at her now.
Anyways, bitches, pues ya estamos aquí al final del video. If you ended up watching all this video, long video, okay? A esta hora miraste todo el video desde el principio hasta el final. Make sure to comment down below, porque quiero saber quién es la que se queda aquí hasta el final. Porque no, ustedes son como los pinches viejos que nomás miran poquito, me miran mi cuerpo de Beyoncé y mi cuerpo que todos quieren y luego se van. No, quiero que me digan quién se quedó aquí desde aquí, desde el principio hasta el final. Comment down below. But anyways, bitches, with that being said, it's me, the baddest bitch, one and only. La que es bella y la que no, que se opere. Love you guys.